The forum activity provides a space in your course for students to engage with each other, the instructor, and the material. Using the forum activity creates a learning community within the course, as well as providing a welcome and personable environment for online students. There are many different types of forums that you can use and many ways you can use them. Forums can be used for casual conversation, asking the instructor questions, responding to prompts, discussing with others, working with classmates on projects, debates, role-playing, small group discussions, and case studies, whatever you can think of. The default format for forums is called the Standard Forum for General Use. It is an open forum where anyone can start a new discussion topic. To limit the amount of discussion students can start, use the format each person posts one discussion. The title says it all. Each student can post exactly one new discussion topic, and everyone can then reply to it. Similarly, the format a single simple discussion is where instructors post a single discussion topic, which everyone can then reply to, but no new discussion topic can be started. If you want to encourage original thinking and prevent students from just repeating what their classmates say, the Q&A forum is perfect for just that. Before they are able to see their classmates' posts, they will have to make an original post of their own. A great method for sharing graphics and photos in a forum is the format Standard Forum displayed in a blog-like format. It is an open forum where anyone can start a new discussion. Discussion topics are displayed on one page with the Discuss This Topic link, so full posts can be seen without opening them first. When giving students a prompt to respond to in a threaded discussion, consider writing several discussion topics and let students choose which one they would like to reply to. They will engage more if they can choose the topic they are most interested in and will feel more positively about the overall experience. The most important thing to remember when using the forum activity is to be present and active in the forums. If you engage with your students, provide live feedback and guidance, they will feel motivated to participate and provide better work. To learn how to apply these techniques to your own course, visit Moodle Basics for Faculty and open the section on creating a forum.